FitLab PGH back with the Labradors for a movement tip and lifestyle hack because we believe movement should be treated as a lifestyle, not just an activity. It's the dog days of summer, so you can see we're in the woods keeping the dogs in the shade. But I know when I come out in the sun, I'm going to want to protect myself from the sun. So rather than using a typical baseball hat for about the past year, I've been using a hat from Shelta Hats. This is the Phoenix. It's got a stiff brim. It's waterproof. It actually floats if you're kayaking. Shout out to dynamic paddlers. And it gives a little more sun protection than you get from a standard baseball hat. It comes in a variety of colors, including the camo that I'm wearing. And it's lasted far better than most baseball caps that I use because I use it most days in the summer. So get outside, take the opportunity to protect yourself from the sun. And if you have dogs, keep them in the shade and walk them early in the day or late at night. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from Maggie and Strawberry Pudding.